So one of the common questions that we get asked is, when can you start and how long will it take? Well, it's going to be project dependent, right? A kitchen remodel can take anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks. A glamorous kitchen remodel that extends into the rest of your first floor can definitely take much longer. A standard bathroom remodel can take as little as 4 weeks and as long as 8 to 10 weeks. Again, big bathroom remodels, or if they're in conjunction with other projects, you're looking at extended lead times. Now, when can we get started? That's an excellent question. I like to say that we'll pencil you into the calendar with a verbal commitment. So you and I are talking about your project and you decide that you want to move forward with us, but we just need to work out all the details. We get you penciled in, we work through all those details, which is our pre-construction agreement. And when we get to a contract, then we can actually lock you into that calendar, because that's when we start to mobilize our teams and build out that schedule for that project. So if you have any questions or concerns, just ask.